What is use of service master? In which procurement we use that service master?
Service master is used for, like, uh, for services provided like freight or utilities or which we get, and service. I'm not sure on this, that
Yeah.
I have gone through the video, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, okay, I will give you that brief overview. The service master will be used for external service management. There is a service procurement in SAP MM which deals about the procurement activities like this maintenance services, repair activities, painting activities, and the security services. The security people we are taking from other consultancies, right? And housekeeping services, and the vehicle rent. You take one some Innova vehicle for rent for every day 8 hours. Okay, such kind of things, and the painting, and also the water. If you are giving the cleaning activities and housekeeping, you are taking the people from other vendors who is providing you the people who will charge as per hour basis. Okay,
Okay.
and these kind of all services to we have a service procurement, that is one of the procurements in SAP MM. We will discuss when we come to that stage. But the service master is an optional master data. Without service master also we can create by using just a short text. Okay, but in case of material, the material number is mandatory, because the material we should have a stock means you should have a material number. In every area wherever you are maintaining stock, everything, the material number is mandatory. But in case of services, it is not a mandatory, but it is an optional. Okay,
Okay.
because for example a painting of wall, painting of car, like that I can write any short text however I want according to the prices and all. But in case of material, I should have a proper code to identify, because if I take for example I have a bolt 2 mm, bolt 3 mm, bolt 4 mm, each should have a identification. Because for example for respective machine I need 20 bolt, which is the dimension of 5 mm. Okay, I cannot use some 2 mm or 3 mm. That's why the material code will play a crucial role for the materials for which we are maintaining the stock. Okay, if you're just
Okay.
consuming like this, the services and all are like a consumption, right? For those things you can write the text. Painting of
Correct.
building, or painting of road, or painting of some uh, trees, kind of you can just write something, and what is the price for that, we can give that price in that. Okay,
Okay.
and we know the material master. Material master is a major master data in SAP MM, which contains different views like basic view, which deals about the, which contains the data like material description, and base unit of measure, in which unit of measure we are handling that material, and the material group. Okay, these are important data will be captured by basic data, and the purchasing data, where we have a purchasing group, and also what kind of key means reminders we are giving, and also whether it is allowed for automatic PO or not. Okay,
Okay.
these kind of data will be stored in purchasing data. And coming to sales, in the sales views we contain the details like what is the tax we are paying on the material. So whether it is a full tax or 50% tax, those details we can maintain at material level. And
Okay.
also the loading group and transportation group, these
Loading group
materials
and
on which you are going to load, and also what transportation we are using during sales activities. Okay, which is the
okay.
delivering plant, and these all details we maintain at sales views, because the purpose of sales is sales views, right? And coming
Okay.
to the important one more is accounting view. In
Hmm.
accounting view we maintain whether the material is having a standard price or moving average price. I think now we are very clear about the importance of standard price and moving average price, because we have completed that session, how much role it is playing in the our financial transactions.
Correct.
Okay, and also one more important, we can maintain the price of material here, and also we have a valuation class which is using as a bridge between SAP MM and FI. These all important data we can capture in the accounting view. This is about the master data, and always it's a learning of SAP is vast. Always when we see few things, it is always keep on learning. But if you have this knowledge, we can understand if something comes new. Okay, this
Okay.
overview is enough, but still you read that one. I will share you the SAP MM certification material. Whenever you have free time, you can just go through. That will give some high level knowledge and high level overview for us. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, this is about the questions. Let's close this, then we will